And here you will get India's biggest clubhouse, the Billionaires Clubhouse.
Billionaires. The nation's first and the only Elan the Billionaire Club.
A project that's putting Dwarka Expressway on the global map. Yes, you got me right, the Elan Group. The Elan Presidential, which was the phase 1, and now they're coming up with the phase 2, which is the Elan Emperor. Or you can say the modern camellias. And in this video, I'm going to give you the detailed explanation of the entire project, including the location, pricing, configuration, and the amenities. It's a low-density project spread across 50 acres of land area, with 30 acres is dedicated to the residential areas and 20 acres to the commercial and luxury hotels. यहाँ पे आपको total 18 towers देखने को मिलेंगे with G+34 floors और हर एक फ्लोर में 3 अपार्टमेंट्स देखने को मिलेंगे with 1 nose apartment and 2 wing apartments. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन की बात करें तो यहाँ पे आपको 3 BHK, 4 BHK और 5 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स मिलेंगे with a penthouse and the sizing starts from 24 to 6,000 square feet. Every apartment comes with an automation door lock. Talking about the height, floor to ceiling height is 11 feet 2 inches. Now talking about the flooring, here you're gonna get high quality Italian marble flooring. Now coming to the kitchen, here you're gonna get a fully modular loaded kitchen with all the fittings. Washroom की बात करें तो master bedroom में you're gonna get a jacuzzi and fully automated washroom with all the automatic fittings in it from the biggest brands like Toto and Grohe. This project is located Bangkok Dwarka Expressway, sector 106 Gurgaon, and the best part about the location is it is right in the middle of the Dwarka Expressway and the IGI airport, which makes it seamlessly connect to the key destinations like the IGI airport, Yashobhumi, Diplomatic Enclave, and some of the most reputed schools, hospitals, shopping malls are just a 5-minute drive from this location. And it is a golden opportunity for the investors. So this entire project will be completed in 5 years. That means you're going to get a time of 3 years after the initial payment. And after completing the first 30% of the payment, you can put your apartment on sale at any moment of time. And the best part is that the first transfer is completely free for all the investors. And here you will get India's biggest clubhouse, the Billionaires Clubhouse.
Billionaires.
It is made at an investment of 700 crore, spread across 4 lakh square feet of land area. Talking about the amenities, you name it and they have it. From horse riding to bowling to archery to temperature controlled swimming pools to gyms, bars, and one of the most luxurious brands are going to be a part of this project. Elan Group आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं दुनिया के सबसे बड़े global construction partners. UHA, who are the architect of the project, Meru, जिन्होंने ये dome shaped clubhouse design किया है, Leighton, who are the constructors of the project. They have also designed the camellias and now they've joined hands with the Elan Group as well. That's it about today's video. Just in case if you have any query, you can contact us because we at Prime State bring you all the latest launches, the new projects, the new updates, and guide you where to invest your money at the right place. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. This is Krishika signing off.